They send you foundation for free to see if you like it. Like, I don't know what else y'all want from the world. What's poppin', my loves? It's your girl Plus Barb, and I'm back with another video. Okay, you guys, so today I am back with a video, and today I'm doing something a little different. I'm doing a makeup review. If you guys have not heard of this company, then you just like obviously been living in a shell or something, because everybody is talking about this company. Everybody's talking about their foundation, and I ordered me one so I could do a review on it. Because, sis, it is so hard to find good foundation, like, and I'm so tired of wasting my money on foundation. I'm not settling anymore. Like, I need to find something that I absolutely fall in love with, and hopefully this is gonna be it today. Hopefully. Okay, so this brand is called, actually I don't really know what it's called, because hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Makiage. Let me know in the comments if I'm saying this right, but this brand is called Makiage. Let me remind y'all, this brand has over 50,000 reviews. Let's just take a moment. That is a lot of reviews. On my end, I have heard nothing but good things about this company. I've heard nothing but great things about this foundation. So I am here today to see if I have the same review as everyone else. So as you guys can see, I don't have any makeup on. But before I jump right into this video, make sure y'all go down there, hit that subscribe button. Also give me a thumbs up and hit that post notification bell so you won't miss no videos from me. I'm gonna give y'all a moment to go ahead and do that. Go do that right now. Did y'all do that? All right, now let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so I ordered it. First, let me do a screen record real quick, because I just want to show y'all how amazing this experience was. Okay, so I am on the website, right? You can listen. I've never had this happen before, and no makeup company has ever did this before. You can go take a quiz to find your skin color foundation. And when I tell y'all this quiz is really detailed, it's really detailed. Like, they even get into the color of your veins in your skin. Like, take the quiz before you order the foundation. They pretty much, okay, so they want you to answer these questions like, is your skin type dry, oily, combination, or balanced? So what you're gonna do is just go take this quiz, right? And then at the end, they're gonna give you the foundation that you need if you took the quiz right. So okay, whatever, I'm just talking at this point. But yes, make sure y'all go take this quiz. That is the most amazing thing ever, because we're not in person, so it will be hard to like match your skin tone, but they got you, sis. Like, it's all on the internet. So go do that before you order it, right? Also, let me tell y'all another amazing thing about them. Bruh, they send you a sample foundation for free for 14 days. So what you do is you order it, you pay for the shipping, which is like $5, pretty much, you know, free, whatever. You order it, they send it to you, and if you like it, you keep it, and then they charge you for it. If you do not like the foundation, guys, you can send it back and get your $5 back. And I just feel like that is just amazing, because that right there lets you know that this company has bomb foundation. Because what company is going to let you get foundation for free and then let you send it back if you don't like it? Sis, best promotion ever. And that's really what made a lot of people want to try the company. I've been seeing these ads literally everywhere. My cousin told me about it. I didn't even pay attention to it till she told me about it, but then when she told me about it, I started seeing the ads everywhere. So gotta try it. Free foundation. Oh wait, It's just so many great things about this company. Sponsor me. It is not, and when they send you the foundation for free, it is not a sample foundation, bro. It's literally a whole thing of foundation. Like where you been all my life? Okay, let's just get into it. Okay, you guys, so I did not open it yet because I wanted to open it on camera with you guys. So this is what it come in. Okay, open box review. Why am I always trying to do open box reviews? Like, who do I think I am? All right. Okay, this is what I loved. It says, sorry, I don't speak low maintenance. I don't speak low maintenance. Isn't that the cutest? Like, I gotta get some of those stickers. Cute. All right. So let's just, I don't know why I do this every time. Okay. Let's get into it. Oh, this is a whole box. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, bruh, even if you don't like the foundation, A for effort, because they put a lot of thought into this. Like, it literally gets no better. Like, I don't know how much I have to say. Hopefully the foundation back up all this advertisement and, you know, good promotions and stuff like that. Hopefully the foundation actually is good. Y'all tell me what they say. Drop in the comments. Actually, if you drop in the comments, I'm still not gonna know because it's text and not words. Okay. Il Makiage. Oh, and I heard they have store locations too. I think in New York. Yeah. Il Makiage. Y'all go follow them on Instagram. Okay. I'm so excited. How it works. Try the products. These products are yours to try for 14 days. Starting on the day they were delivered. So you have 14 days on the day they were delivered to try it out. If you love them, keep them. If you shockingly don't, pop your shit. Pop your shit. If you shockingly don't, visit ilmakiage.com to return and download your return label. Send it back within 14 days. At the end of your trial, you'll only be charged for the product you will keep. You will only be charged if you keep the product. If you don't, you get your $5 back. Over 70, this box is cute, by the way. Like, they lit, bro. I'm sorry, but they just lit. Okay. Over 75 women get foundation wrong. Over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Yes. Get yours right. Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, neckline. Blend out with a brush or sponge, not by hand. People do that? Wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Don't match your neck or wrist. They're 3 different tones than your face. Finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. Wear a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. Cute. Or whatever. Bro, this is legit. This is legit. Okay, wait. Let's just finish getting into this. Okay, then they have like a little confetti in there. That is so cute. I love them already. Even if the foundation isn't great, I'm gonna love you guys anyway. Because you guys just put so much thought into this. Okay, I guess this is the, you know, what you ordered or whatever. We'll see. So, oh, high standards. Oh, okay, high standards, guaranteed. We spent years perfecting our formulas with anyways, that we are confident you'll be obsessed with these products as we are. Not in love, return and exchange are free. They are confident in their products, is because at this point they're confident. So you know what? I'm confident that this foundation is going to be fire. I am. Because they done boosted me up this whole time with all this advertisement and stuff. Great marketing. Great marketing. So this is the box. We're not gonna get into the ingredients. So this foundation is actually called I Woke Up Like This foundation, and I am using shade bro. Okay, this is shade. Okay, the shade they matched me for is 060. Look at this, sis. You know, they got me. They just got me. Okay. Okay. Dope AF. This is, yeah, this is lit. You know, shout out to them. They deserve it. They deserve it. Okay. So, yeah, this is shade. I don't even know why I just tried that, but whatever. Okay. So, I'm just going to shake it up a little bit because sometimes foundation is weird when you don't shake it up. So, yeah. I'm nervous, but I'm kind of excited because they're so confident. They made me confident. And you get this whole bottle for free. Like, this isn't a sample size that they be trying to give you at MAC and Ulta and stuff like that. A whole bottle. And I think this bottle is regularly priced at, let me look, because I might have, it might tell you on the receipt. Oh, it doesn't. But I think this foundation is not over $50. I know that for sure. And good foundation is usually $50 anyway. So, yeah, we're just about to try it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one side foundation, one side no foundation. I think I'm going to do this side foundation. Yeah, let's just get into it. Hopefully I matched it perfect. And they said this is full coverage, and I love full coverage. So okay, I'm just gonna scoot up a little bit so you guys can really get into it. Bro, okay, you guys, first things first, effing bomb. Secondly, you can't even tell that I have foundation on. Like, no, honestly, like, do y'all see? I think this is it, guys. I think this is it. And I just want to thank God. I just want to thank God. Guys, this is so bomb. So everything they talked about, all the effort they put into this, they were right. They did no capping in any way, shape, or form. I love the fact that it's not oily and it's not dry. This is crazy. Like, this is crazy. It's literally perfect. Literally perfect. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera or anything, but this foundation is from the gods. Like, it's not blotchy. Let me get y'all a little closer so y'all can really, do y'all see this? It's not blotchy. It's not too much, but it's still full coverage. I mean, like, I don't have bad skin from the beginning. Like, I don't have bad skin, so it shouldn't be hard for me to find good foundation. But I literally found the best foundation. And I just don't know what else to say. Like, that is crazy. I love it. Absolutely love this foundation, guys. So with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video because I'm ready to do my makeup at this point. Like, foundation is bomb, and I did not put any primer or any of that on before, and it still looks flawless. I'm actually shocked, guys, and I'm so excited that they did not have any capping, because I would hate for them to do all that advertising and it not be up to par like they said. So yeah, I advise everyone to go get this foundation. And again, if you do not like this foundation, you are able to return it for free. They send you foundation for free to see if you like it. Like, I don't know what else y'all want from the world. But I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video because I'm finna go do my makeup. So yeah, that's my reaction on this. Absolutely perfect. Have no bad complaints about this at all. None at all. You guys, if you like this video, make sure y'all go down there, hit that subscribe button. It's free. It don't cost y'all no money to do, so just go ahead and support the kid, period. And I'm out. Peace.